What's the meaning of brilliant? Brilliant. Brilliant.
Brilliant. Brilliant. The word brilliant is often used to describe something or someone that is exceptionally intelligent, skillful, talented, or remarkable. When we say something is brilliant, we mean it is outstanding, impressive, and shines brightly in its field or context. A brilliant result is one that exceeds expectations, demonstrates exceptional quality or creativity, and earns strong recognition or admiration from others. It can refer to various achievements such as a breakthrough discovery, a successful project, an exceptional performance, or a stunning artwork. Overall, brilliant connotes excellence, distinction, and exceptionalism, and is widely used to praise and celebrate extraordinary accomplishments.